Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you guys how I did this boho braids, how I'm doing them. So look at, so pretty. There's the lines given as it should. This is me making the last 2 rows. So I just add my braiding cream, braiding gel, and then I make sure I pat the hair in the middle. So I'm doing that now. And I'm not, this video is not fast forwarded because I want you guys to see how I do it, everything. But yeah, when it gets to a part of like repetition, I will fast forward that. So that's me doing the hair, guys. I parted it in 2 equal lines. I'm making sure I'm right in the middle of the hair to avoid, like I always call it, bent look. So guys, this is it, and I'm just gonna start braiding. So while braiding, guys, I did a trick. This is a trick. I section out each braid, or how each braid should look, the size of each braid. This is what I recommend every braider to do, mostly if you're a starter, to enable you know the size each braid should be. Not while braiding, at the end of the braid or toward the last braid you realize, oh, I made a mistake in sectioning. So I'm just sectioning out my curly extension. My customer got a mix of human hair and synthetic, so I didn't want any wastage, so I had to section it out myself. So I'm making knotless now. I add a little bit tiny, should be tiny extension. Then I went ahead to add my curly hair just immediately after the first. So to enable the coil start from the bottom, like the root of the hair, like this. Then I added another extension to help secure the curly hair. If you don't know how to make knotless, please don't forget to check out my previous video. I did a detailed tutorial on how to make knotless, so just check that out. If that's not clear enough, just leave a comment, let me know. I'll give it another try. So I pull that out to make sure I'm not pulling everything in. And while braiding, I did a trick to help maximize the use of my curly extension. Like I said, my customer got a mix of synthetic and curly and human hair. So yeah, she didn't want too much curls, but I tried to maximize the use of the extension. And what I did is, you see now, I'll just braid it out and I'll take out the remaining piece of the curly hair and bring it out. This way you have more coils but using less strands of coils. I don't know if that makes sense. So yes, I'll just braid that in. I'll make a more detailed tutorial towards the end of the video, so please don't go anywhere. So I kept on adding the coils. If you have a pin, you can just like take a pin and pin your coils. I don't know what I did here. I had my pins were far away, so I was like, okay, I can do this. But then it slowed my speed. So if you get a pin, if you have a pin, don't forget to use a pin. It's very recommended. Use a pin and pin the coily hair to the strand of braid. And I kept measuring to make sure I'm on the same length with the other extension, with the other braids, you know. Then I went ahead to tie that in. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna make the coils at the bottom myself. If you don't know how I made the coils at the bottom, please leave it in the comment section and I'll do that for you guys. So now we're making the last strand of braid. I'm so excited. This is my favorite part of the hair. You see, this is a tutorial on how to make knotless again. You know, I'm the best. So I went ahead and I added my coily extension. You see that now, and I hold that like really tight. Then I added another extension like I explained before. Then I braid that in. While braiding, I'm using my middle finger to really like hold the bottom, you see, to make sure the curly hair is not slipping out. Your middle finger does a lot while braiding this hair. The two middle fingers, they do a lot while braiding this kind of hair. So don't forget to use them to pin the hair down, you know. So I went ahead to add extensions and I took out the other parts, the rest of the extensions, like I said before, and then added extension again. Yeah, just a repetition, guys. Just see it and then you know how to do it. And while I was braiding, guys, I had help separating the coily extension from the part I'm going to call myself the bottom. You see that at the right side of the video. So thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for all your support. Please, guys, if you want to know how I made the coils at the bottom, don't forget to leave a comment about that. I'm going to post a video about that. It's really nice coils that I made myself. I'm so proud of the coils. I'm sure you guys want to see it, but I'll post it on your request. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your shares. Still keep sharing. Like my video, share my video. I love you guys and have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.